making reflections clear, learning to talk about cleaning mirrors and windows in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to talk about an everyday task we all are familiar with: cleaning mirrors and windows. This task is part of many people's evening routines or weekend chores. Not only will we learn new English words and phrases, but we'll also discuss the process of cleaning mirrors and windows step by step. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the tools and materials you need for cleaning mirrors and windows. 1. Window cleaner or glass cleaner, a special liquid used to clean glass surfaces. 2. Squeegee, a tool with a flat, smooth rubber blade, used to remove or control the flow of liquid on a flat surface. 3. Microfiber cloth or lint-free cloth, a type of cloth that doesn't leave small pieces of fiber on the glass. 4. Paper towels, used for cleaning or drying. Now, let's use these words in a sentence. Before I start cleaning, I make sure I have a good window cleaner, a squeegee, a microfiber cloth, and some paper towels. Now that we have our tools, let's move on to the process of cleaning mirrors and windows. 1. Spray the window cleaner onto the glass surface. 2. Wipe the surface with the squeegee, starting from the top and moving down. 3. Dry the surface with a microfiber cloth or paper towel to prevent streaks. Let's put this process into a conversation. Imagine your friend asks, "How do you clean your mirrors and windows?" You can reply, "First, I spray the window cleaner onto the glass. Then, I wipe the surface with a squeegee, from top to bottom. Finally, I dry the surface with a cloth to prevent streaks." Next, let's talk about frequency. How often do you clean your mirrors and windows? Here are some phrases you can use. I clean my mirrors and windows once a week. I do a thorough cleaning of all glass surfaces in my house every 2 weeks. I make sure to clean my mirrors and windows at least once a month. Remember, it's all about what works best for you and your schedule. That's it, dear learners. Now you know how to talk about cleaning mirrors and windows in English. Whether you're discussing your daily chores or asking for cleaning tips, you're all set with your new vocabulary and phrases. Always remember, practice makes perfect. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning, everyone!